By 2030, the cost of BitTorrent BTT is expected to be around 0.00002 to 0.00004. Market watchers expect 0.00002 by 2025, except for BTT. The low prediction for the cost of the BitTorrent market in 2023 is 0.00003796008. BitTorrent BTT. An introduction. BitTorrent BTT was made by software engineer Bram Cohen as a way to send large files more quickly. It became famous quickly because it was easy to download movies, music, and TV shows. This caused a lot of companies to block BitTorrent data on their networks, which has caused some problems for real users recently. BitTorrent has been used by many real companies as a way to control big files like software updates and recordings in a circle. What does BitTorrent BTT mean? BitTorrent BTT is a file-sharing protocol that doesn't have a central server. It lets clients download files straight from each other. BTT is different from other ways of sharing files, like HTTP or FTP, because it doesn't need a central computer to store the files. Overall, every client that needs to send a file makes a Tron in order to bring life back to the dying BitTorrent stage. Tron bought the group and gave each member a TRC10 token. The goal of this token is to get clients to keep sharing files even after they've downloaded them. Tron thinks that if it gives people a small amount of money for growing, they will be more likely to keep the platform going. It's no secret that BitTorrent's popularity has gone down in recent years as other file-sharing platforms have grown. Fewer people are using torrents to download movies, music, and other content. This has led to a drop in the number of seeders, which makes it harder for leechers to find files to download. As a result, BitTorrent is now worth $0.000474501 At the moment, BTT is trading at $1.54 and has a volume of $9,868,246. With a market value of $451,444,9696, BitTorrent is currently ranked 83rd among all cryptographic currencies. US dollars RSI moving normal weighted MWA using the above diagram's overall strength file, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD. We can figure out whether this is going to be a bullish or a bearish year for BitTorrent BTT. Our price forecasts are based on constant BitTorrent BTT market data that is updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price forecasts based on how the market is moving at the moment. A torrent estimated BTT value for 2023. Some people say that BitTorrent is one of the coolest new ways to make money online this year. The BTT cost estimate for 2023 calls for a major increase in the last quarter of that year, which could reach 0.00007117515. As with other types of cryptographic money, the rise will be slow, but there shouldn't be any big drops. A cost average of 0.00066430014 is very ambitious, but it is possible soon if everyone works together and makes the expected progress. The base value of BTT is thought to be 0.00056940012. BitTorrent BTT value prediction 2024/2024 BitTorrent BTT cost estimate has a lot of room to grow because many new organizations and drives could declare themselves. We think that the price of BTT will soon go above $0.00001. But we should wait to place bullish bets until the BTT's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone. When market volatility is taken into account, BTT will trade at a base exchange rate of 0.00009490002 and an average exchange rate of 0.00001. Forecast for BitTorrent BTT value: if the trend goes up until 2025, it could hit 0.00002. And if the market goes down, BTT could benefit. Maybe the goal won't be reached. The average cost of BTT is predicted to be 0.00002 and the lowest cost to be 0.00001.2025 BitTorrent BTT value forecast. Our predictions say that the BTT coin price could stay the same for the next 5 years if BitTorrent helps market opinion among people who like digital money. BTT will be green in 2026. In 2026, the BTT is likely to hit and pass its all-time high. In 2026, a unit of the virtual currency will be worth 0.00002, with a base price of 0.00002 and an average price of $0.00.0.0.2.0. We think that the cost of BTT will cross a normal value level of 0.00002 by 2027, with a base cost of 0.00002 expected before the end of the year. This is based on a lot of guesswork and expert research. Also, the most that BTT can be worth is 0.00003. BitTorrent BTT value estimate 2028. Since BTT represents future businesses that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that if BTT can break the safe level in 2028, a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to about 0.00003. If BTT doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, the most it could cost is 0.00003. And the least it could be worth in 2029 is also 0.00003. While BTT tries to make it easier for businesses to work together to speed up connections, the positive trend from the past is likely to continue. So the base exchange cost has been set at 0.00003 and the annual cost is close to 0.00004. BitTorrent BTT value expectation 2030. By 2030, BitTorrent will finally do better than its previous half values and set new cost levels. The price could start at 0.00004 and go as high as 0.00004. With an average of 0.00004 BitTorrent BATT value estimate in 2031. The digital currency market is known for being very risky, which is one of the many reasons why cost hedging is hard to do. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens